Hello my dear friends, in this video we are going to see most satisfying factory machines and engineers tools. By seeing this amazing video, you will definitely have a lot of fun and enjoy and knowledge. Please watch the video till the end for better satisfaction and better enjoy. So let's get started. In this manner, the handle of the cup is placed on it. The driver of this JCB is doing the work of breaking the big pieces of the ice so that all the ice can easily be flow away. Peeling of the orange very fastly. Spray painting is very satisfying. This worker is cutting the large piece of candy into very small pieces. Hairs are transplanted on the doll in this manner. This worker can cut the large number of woods individually by this amazing machine. Applying the stickers on the containers. This die is very useful for making spherical things. This person did a good job by distributing food to many monkeys. Yellow slabs on the road are made in this manner, working very quickly, cleaning the big flowers. This guy is doing the work of cleaning the road. This machine can easily cut off the snow in its path, getting out the cables. This guy is making beautiful designs on the t-shirts. This machine is rotating very fast. Very heavy and strong iron gets cut by this machine in a moment. Changing the track lines very smoothly. The gap between the tiles is filled very perfectly. Iron drums are converted into the rectangular sheets by this amazing machine. This guy is cleaning this thing by the high pressure of the water. Hydro dipping of the bat. This is very charming and very worth seeing. Making of amazing designs by this painting stick. Cello tape will be converted into a water ball. This is a very unique scene of the nature. This truck is loaded very fastly by PVC pipes. This worker breaks this wall very easily with a very flexible and bendable hammer. With the help of this tool, the snow accumulated on the road can be removed very easily. The extra part of the road is cut in this manner. This machine has a very sharp rotating wheel which is used to cut the extra part. This girl is removing the snow lying on the solar panel. A bent ring can also be repaired with the help of this tool. This machine is used to do printing on the utensils. Hammers are fitted in this manner. Such a big ship is lowered into the sea, and these cylindrical rods are very important for this. All the balls can be collected in only one time with the help of this amazing tool. This machine is very useful for making floors. It can do the leveling of concrete very fastly. Square pipe is cut very smoothly. This JCB has a very long arm to get out the mud from the field. This machine is very powerful and have very sharp blade. It can cut many papers at once. The cut tray is put between the arms of this machine. This machine can convert the big pieces of the wood into thin and cylindrical shapes. It is very satisfying machine. This machine is cutting the extra pieces from the edges of the iron net. This amazing chemical can remove the paint from the any metal very easily and very fastly. Fitting of rims into the wheels. This tool is very useful for smashing the unuseful cans. This girl has a very good idea and good tool to transport water from one place to another place. Extra grip is accumulated on the car wheel. Even the strong iron rods can be cut very smoothly and very easily by this wonderful machine. Tires are cut by putting these between the blades of this machine. Cement bags are lifted and then opened by this smart machine. Iron pipe is got heated by using the principle of electromagnetic induction. Loading of things into the aeroplane. Plastic tubs are made by the machines in this way. Oh wow, cash cutting machine, amazing, wonderful. Large trees are cut very easily by putting these on this blade. These female workers are very fast and very satisfying. Tires are very useful for unloading the stone pipes. This worker removes a huge portion of the plaster from the wall in only one turn. Wires are made and collected in this way. She is very fast girl. Lays entire iron rod bundle in only one turn. Oranges are divided into their place according to their size. This worker breaks the stone between the middle. The tractor is plowing the field very satisfyingly. Wow, this machine works like a big and powerful. If you enjoyed this video, then please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye, take care, meet you in the next video.